Okay, this video is going to show you how to take each of these bars and adjust the sizes. So what you're going to do here, back at slide 10 over here, now you have this information filled in for the number of mice, of light colored mice and dark colored mice at each location A and B, and you've got them in order, the oldest to the most recent. So you're just going to take the numbers in here and you're going to create a bar graph from those numbers. So let's say at location A, which is, I'm looking at my key here, is red. So I'm going to grab a red bar and I'm starting with the oldest. So I go and look at my data and let's say the number of mice at location A, the oldest location A, let's say it was 8. So I'm going to make sure I get an up and down arrow right here, click and hold, and just drag it down and size it however you want. And so that's showing that there were 12 mice there for location A. And then you do the same with B, drag it and move it to the correct number, and so forth.